The number of hospital patients to die after contracting coronavirus has risen by 12. Health authorities confirmed there had been 12 fatalities in England, but none in Scotland or Wales. Figures for Northern Ireland have not been released yet. Victims were aged between 62 and 98, and all had known health conditions, NHS England said. The tragic figure was released hours after Health Secretary Matt Hancock said the UK is at a tipping point, with the number of new infections rising fast. Boris Johnson has previously warned that a second wave is inevitable. Yesterday 27 deaths were confirmed in all settings, with 4,422 cases identified across the UK. This brings the official death toll to 41,759. Health chiefs have also warned that the number of hospital admissions is rising, with cases across the UK thought to be doubling every 7 to 8 days. NHS England has provided a regional breakdown showing where the fatalities occurred. East of England 0, London 1, Midlands 1, North East and Yorkshire 4, North West 6, South East 0, South West 0. This morning Mr Hancock told the Andrew Marr Show, "This country faces a tipping point, and we have a choice, and the choice is if everybody follows the rules and does the self-isolation, if they need to, follows the rule of 6, which is really simple and clear, and the basics, hands, face and space, then we can avoid further measures." But the alternative to that choice is that we will have to bring in more action. And we don't want to do that, but every single person has a part to play in this, and everybody watching has a choice. Do you follow the rules or not? Data released on Friday by the government's SAGE committee reveals that the R rate across the UK is between 1 and 1.4, meaning the number of cases could be doubling every 7 to 8 days. The number needs to be below 1 for the virus to be in retreat, and health authorities say hospital admissions are on the rise. Yvonne Doyle, Medical Director at Public Health England, said, "We're seeing clear signs this virus is now spreading widely across all age groups, and I'm particularly worried by the increase in rates of admission to hospital and intensive care among older people. This could be a warning of far worse things to come." The Prime Minister echoed that pessimism, admitting that the UK is heading the same way as Spain, where the death toll hit 239 in a day this week. He said, "We're looking very carefully at the spread of the pandemic as it evolves over the last few days, and there's no question, as I've said for several weeks now, that we could expect, and are now seeing, a second wave coming in. We are seeing it in France, in Spain, across Europe. It has been absolutely, I'm afraid, inevitable we were going to see it in this country."